similarly, only 7% of resources, what we consume, end up into useful products. We use these products most of the times only once, right? I think mobile phones is one interesting product which everybody wants to buy the latest mobile and get rid of the old mobile set. That means we keep using these products in a very short life cycle. And even today, if you look at it, the business is also interested to make products with short life cycles because they can obviously sell more and more. So there is another problem in terms of availability of options which we have. Now, many products which we make, when we use them, they consume huge resources. Any example? Any product you can think of? One product you can think of? Paper. A washing machine, right? You buy a washing machine and then till its life, you're consuming water and detergents and electricity, and the washing machine life cycle, when you look at it, it's hugely impacting after you put it in use, and so is the case of many of our home appliances, right? So there are cases where you have a huge consumption of resources during what we call as the use phase. And then these products, once you have end of life, that they're no longer useful, they become waste. And they become therefore a cost to the society, a liability which we need to address. And these products, after use, keep on piling into our landfills if we don't have a strategy to reuse them or take them back somehow, to put them into another useful product cycle. So these are the kinds of challenges which we have. And net, because of these factors, the rucksack which we carry, the footprints of all these consumption patterns, they are huge. So it's not something that we can ignore. And even in countries like, in this case, India, if you were to convert all what we consume in terms of resources into an area, the equivalent of the Earth's space, then these numbers are staggering. And you have highly consumptive countries and, so to say, low consumptive countries, all corresponding to certain footage of the Earth's space equivalent. But if you start multiplying with population, the number looks low for India. If you bring in more than 1 billion people living in that country, it's a huge footprint, which is very worrisome.